Are you tired of roughing it at camp with gear that feels decades behind? What if 2026 is the year your campsite actually becomes comfortable? Today on OutdoorKitPro, we're counting down 15 insane camping inventions you seriously didn't know you needed, covering everything from lighting and cooking to safety and cool-down tech. Let's get into it. Number 1. Yontriyo 12,000 mAh camping lights. The Yontriyo camping light packs a massive 12,000 mAh rechargeable battery, giving you extended brightness through even the longest nights. It features multiple lighting modes and full waterproof protection, so rain or shine, you're covered. USB charging makes it super easy to top off before your next trip. What really sets this apart is that battery capacity. Most camp lights drain by midnight, but not this one. Whether you're reading in the tent or lighting up a whole picnic area, this thing delivers. A solid all-rounder for any camper. Next up is the eSeedy automatic water pump, and honestly, this one is a total game changer for hydration at camp. Its one-touch automatic operation fits standard water bottles and runs on a rechargeable battery with USB charging. No more squeezing, tipping, or wrestling with heavy jugs. Just press the button and water flows out instantly, clean and effortless. It's lightweight enough to toss in any bag, and the USB charging means one less thing to worry about. Great for family campers or anyone who hates the awkward water jug struggle. Coming in at number 3, the HGD Magic Campfire Fire Color Changing Packets, and these are just pure fun. Toss a packet into your existing fire and watch the flames shift into vivid greens, blues, and purples for up to 30 to 60 minutes. They're non-toxic and completely safe for normal campfire use. This is the kind of product that makes you the hero of the campsite. Kids absolutely lose their minds over the colors, and honestly, adults do too. Perfect for family trips or anyone who wants a little extra campfire magic. Number 4. Great Northern Popcorn Campfire Popper. The Great Northern Popcorn Campfire Popper brings a nostalgic, old-school charm to open fire cooking. It's built from steel with a non-stick coating and a wooden handle, so it handles heat beautifully without burning your hands. The large batch capacity means you're not making 3 tiny servings, you're feeding the whole crew. Just hold it over the flames and shake. It's that simple. The non-stick coating makes cleanup a breeze, and that wooden handle stays cool even over a roaring fire. A classic pick for campers who love a good fireside snack. Number 5. Lancryen Emergency Fire Blanket. Safety first. The Lancryen Emergency Fire Blanket is one of those products you hope you never need, but you'll be very glad you have it. Made from high-temperature-resistant fiberglass, it measures approximately 40 by 40 inches, large enough to smother most small campfire accidents fast. It folds down compact for easy storage in any pack. This is one of those must-have safety items that too many campers overlook. In an emergency, seconds matter, and this blanket deploys instantly. Essential for every campsite kit, no exceptions. Halfway through our list of camping inventions, meet the Tops Home Keychain Box Cutter, your new everyday carry essential. It features a stainless steel retractable blade in a mini keychain design, so it's always on you without taking up any space. Ultra portable and ultra practical. Open packages, cut rope, trim gear, whatever you need. The retractable blade means it's safe in your pocket or clipped to your keys at all times. It weighs almost nothing, and the build quality feels surprisingly solid for the size. Best for hikers and backpackers who swear by minimalist EDC. Number 7. Tuopu Life Solar Camping String Lights. The Tuopu Life Solar Camping String Lights bring serious ambiance to your campsite. Powered by solar and USB rechargeable as a backup. They stretch to an impressive 32.8 feet with multiple lighting modes and full waterproof protection, so they work even in wet conditions. Drape them over your tent or around your picnic area and the vibe instantly transforms. The dual power system is the real win here. Charge by day with the solar panel, glow all night without burning through batteries. They're easy to set up and genuinely beautiful in the dark. Best for campers who love a cozy, well-lit setup. Heading into number 8, the Zelen Anti-Theft Zipper Clips are small but mighty when it comes to protecting your gear. Built from metal alloy in a carabiner-style design, they lock your zippers in place on bags, backpacks, and luggage. Lightweight and unobtrusive, they clip on in seconds but are a real deterrent against quick-grab theft. Whether you're at a crowded trailhead, a festival campsite, or a hostel, these clips give you real peace of mind. They work on any standard zipper pull, so they're universally compatible. A smart, affordable upgrade for security-conscious travelers. Number 9. Koosman Water Containers with Spigot. The Koosman water container with spigot solves one of the most frustrating parts of car camping, managing large water supplies cleanly. With an approximately 5 to 7 gallon BPA-free plastic build and a built-in spigot tap, filling cups and bottles becomes effortless. No tipping, no pouring mishaps, just turn the spigot. It's on the larger side, so this is definitely a car camping or base camp product rather than a backpacking one. But for groups and families, the convenience is unmatched. Best for car campers and festival goers who need a reliable water station. Number 10. IVTIVU Rolling Grill Basket. The IVTIVU Rolling Grill Basket takes campfire grilling to a whole new level with its clever rolling design. Crafted from stainless steel, it tumbles your food, veggies, meat, seafood evenly over the heat so nothing burns on one side. Cleanup is straightforward thanks to the open mesh stainless construction. The rolling motion is a genuinely clever solution to the age-old flip everything manually problem. It handles a wide variety of foods and holds up to high heat without warping. A must-have for the campsite chef who wants perfectly cooked food every time. Number 11. Odeland Portable LED Camping Lantern with Ceiling Fan. The Odeland Portable LED Camping Lantern with Ceiling Fan is the ultimate 2-in-1 tent companion, light and cooling in one battery-operated unit. It hangs from a hook with multiple fan speed modes and bright LED output, keeping your tent comfortable and well lit all night. No more choosing between staying cool and having enough light. It's especially brilliant for hot summer camping trips where tent heat becomes unbearable after sunset. The hanging hook makes placement totally flexible. Tent ceiling, tree branch, whatever works. Perfect for summer campers who run hot at night. Number 12. Kimo Portable Clip-On Fan. The Kimo Portable Clip-On Fan is genuinely impressive for its size, featuring up to 100 adjustable speed levels in a compact, rechargeable clip-on design. You can dial in the exact airflow you want, whether that's a gentle breeze or full-blast cooling. Clip it to your cot frame, tent pole, or camp chair, and you're set. 100 speed levels is almost absurdly precise, but once you experience it, you won't want anything less. The rechargeable battery holds up well, and the clip is strong and stable. Best for hot sleepers who need personal cooling at camp. Number 13. Topier Bluetooth Beanie with Light. The Topier Bluetooth Beanie with Light is one of those wild multifunction wearables that actually makes sense in the real world. It packs built-in Bluetooth speakers, an integrated LED headlamp, and a rechargeable battery all into a cozy winter beanie. Stream your music, light your trail, and stay warm hands-free. The audio quality won't replace your best headphones, but for outdoor use, it's surprisingly good. The LED light is a genuine hands-free headlamp alternative too. Ideal for cold weather campers and hikers who love tech-forward gear. Number 14. Rain Leaf Microfiber Towel. The rain leaf microfiber towel is the kind of no-nonsense essential that earns its spot in every pack. Its quick-dry microfiber technology means it absorbs fast and dries out even faster. No more damp, heavy towels weighing down your bag. Lightweight and compact, it folds down to almost nothing. It works for camping, swimming, the gym, and travel, making it one of the most versatile items on this list. The compact size is genuinely impressive without sacrificing coverage, a no-brainer upgrade from any traditional towel, especially for backpackers. Closing out our list, the HexNub Cooler Box Lite is a deceptively simple product that solves a real problem. It's a waterproof, rechargeable light that mounts magnetically or clips inside your cooler, so you can actually see what you're grabbing in the dark. It also works as a general nighttime light around camp. No more fumbling blindly inside your cooler at 2 a.m. hoping you grab the right drink. The magnetic mount is strong and secure, and the waterproof build means ice melt is zero concern. A small investment that makes a surprisingly big difference at camp. And that's our full list of camping inventions for 2026. If I had to pick two standouts, the Odoland Lantern Fan and the Tuopu Life Solar String Lights would be my top picks this season. All links in the description. Go check them out. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a gear drop.